What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 21st. It's about 9 a.m. We're about to run into the post office real quick to drop off a bunch of orders that came in last night and this morning. Then we're going to hit a couple thrift stores, so should be a good day. All right, just pulling up to the first thrift store here. It's American Thrift number 2.
You okay?
No, I don't.
Alright.
I just buy a lot of stuff. All right, so just got out of American Thrift 2, and as you saw, I think they're a little bit optimistic on a lot of their pricing. All right, so just got back from thrifting. I have all the clothes ready to be prepped and listed, so I figure I'll flip through them real quick and show you guys what I picked up today. So I found 22 shirts, paid 75 bucks, so a little under $3.50 a shirt. First up is this Columbia PFG Omni Free Zero short sleeve polo, Ex Officio hidden button down. Nope, just regular button front long sleeve shirt. Affliction button front shirt. Usually when I find these are like pearl snap and they do pretty well, but still not a bad pickup. Ralph Lauren XL. This is an RL work shirt, so like a heavy cotton. Not sure the value, but hopefully it's pretty good. FootJoy short sleeve polo size XL. It's a regular Ralph Lauren large, regular fit. And I'm not really sure what this is, but I picked it up because in the store it was $4. It's like a long sleeve, or like 3/4 sleeve. Sleeves aren't really that long. Pullover. I'm assuming this is a woman's. It's got a hood and these like cool, I don't know what you would call these, but I'm not really sure what this is or what the value of it is. But for $4, I couldn't really pass it up. So I'll have to do a little bit more research. Hopefully it's worth some good money. Next, if you've watched any of my other videos, this is a brand I find quite often and it sells pretty well. It's a Jane Barnes button front long sleeve shirt. It's another Jane Barnes. This is a snap button down long sleeve, and another Jane Barnes button front long sleeve. And here we have a Tommy Bahama. It's got a palm tree print all over. Short sleeve Hawaiian shirt. It's a Nike Golf standard fit. Ralph Lauren RLX short sleeve polo. Another Ex Officio button down long sleeve. And then we have a couple of Façonnable short sleeve polos. This is a Façonnable Classique. Another Façonnable Classique. And a Façonnable Club. Then we have a Tommy Bahama short sleeve, like gray plaid, silk cotton blend short sleeve. Ralph Lauren Blake. Another Ralph Lauren custom fit. And then this cool, I don't know if you say this as bonobos or bonobos, short sleeve button down. It's got an avocado print all over. It's really cool. That should sell pretty well. And it's a slim fit, good size XXL. and a Tommy Bahama short sleeve polo. So nothing too crazy, but that's pretty much how it goes with clothing. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you guys tomorrow.